Learning English becomes easier for everyone. In today's world, English is one of the most important languages. It is spoken in many countries and is often used in business, travel, and education. Many people around the world are learning English to improve their lives and get better opportunities. Learning English is no longer as difficult as it once was, thanks to new technology and better learning methods. There are many ways to learn English. Some people attend language schools or take classes at universities. These classes are often in person, but today online classes are becoming more popular. Online learning platforms offer courses for people of all levels, from beginners to advanced learners. With a computer or smartphone, anyone can study English from the comfort of their own home. Many people find learning English helpful because it opens doors to new job opportunities. Companies often require employees to speak English, especially in international business. For example, many companies in the technology and finance sectors prefer to hire people who can speak English. As a result, people who learn English have better chances of getting hired and earning higher salaries. Moreover, knowing English helps people when they travel. English is widely spoken in many countries, and knowing the language can make travel much easier. Whether you are in a restaurant, at a hotel, or asking for directions, English can help you communicate with people in almost any country. Many airports, hotels, and tourist attractions use English as the main language to serve travelers. In addition, learning English can help people connect with others. There are millions of English speakers around the world. By learning English, you can make friends from different countries, learn about different cultures, and share ideas with people from all over the world. This can make travel and social interactions much more enjoyable. However, not everyone finds learning English easy. For some people, the grammar and vocabulary can be difficult to understand. But teachers and students agree that practice is the key to success. The more time you spend learning and practicing English, the easier it becomes. Some students practice by speaking with others, watching English language movies and TV shows, and reading books and articles in English. One of the most important things to remember when learning English is not to be afraid of making mistakes. Mistakes are a natural part of the learning process. Teachers encourage their students to speak and write in English, even if they are not perfect. This is how language learners improve their skills. There are also many apps and websites that can help people learn English. These tools allow learners to practice vocabulary, grammar, and speaking skills. Some apps even use games and quizzes to make learning fun. These resources are especially helpful for people who don't have the time or money to attend formal language classes. Experts say that learning English is a lifelong process. Even if you are fluent, you can always learn new words, phrases, and expressions. The English language is constantly changing, with new words and expressions being added all the time. For example, many new words related to technology and social media have become popular in recent years. In many countries, English is taught from a young age. Children learn English in school, and some start learning it even earlier, in kindergarten. The earlier children start learning English, the easier it is for them to speak and understand the language. Some schools even offer English immersion programs where children learn subjects like math and science in English. For adults, learning English can be more challenging, but it is still possible. Many adults take evening classes or study online after work. There are also many free resources available for those who cannot afford to pay for classes. Some people join local language exchange groups where they meet with native speakers to practice English. Learning English is not only about studying grammar and vocabulary. It is also about understanding the culture of English-speaking countries. This helps learners understand the language better and use it in the right context. For example, in some English-speaking countries, it is polite to say please and thank you often. Knowing these cultural details can help learners avoid making mistakes in social situations. In conclusion, learning English is an important skill that can bring many benefits. It helps people get better jobs, travel more easily, and connect with others around the world. With new technology and online resources, learning English has become easier and more accessible to everyone. Whether you are a student, a professional, or someone who simply loves languages, learning English is a rewarding experience that can open up many doors in life. The demand for English is growing every day, and it will continue to be one of the most useful languages in the world. So if you are thinking about learning English, don't wait. Start today, and you will see how much it can improve your life.